To start this lifestyle project, I collected and weighed 2 days of waste. This consisted of breakfast, lunch, dinner, and miscellaneous waste that my family of 4 produced for each day. For the most part, we do recycle when it comes to soda cans, bottles, and large recyclables, but we do not compost because we do not have the resources or availability to do so. In the future, I do plan on producing a garden, and when that time comes, I plan to purchase or make a composter. The first day, we had a total of approximately 3 pounds of waste. Half of it was recycled, and half of it was thrown into the garbage to be taken to the landfill. The second day, our total waste was 2.5 pounds. Of this, 1 pound was recycled and 1.5 pounds was thrown into the garbage can. After the first 2 days of baseline waste were conducted, I made a plan of what we would as a family were going to change. The first observation in my baseline waste was that we use way too many paper towels. No matter how hard I tried, I found myself going to a paper towel to clean or wipe up quick spills. We did attempt to reduce the amount we used. The next item that was abundant in our waste was paper plates. This is something we tried to eliminate altogether. It just meant we would be doing a lot more dishes than normal. After the lifestyle changes were made, we had less waste going to the landfill by reduction and elimination of our product. After day 1, we had less than 2.5 pounds of waste, with 1.8 being recycled and half a pound going to the landfill. Day 2, we had approximately 2 pounds of trash, with more than half going to recycling and about 1 pound to landfill. We were able to eliminate paper plates altogether from our lifestyle, even though I heard many complaints from my kids and husband about doing more dishes. We did not find any alternatives to our waste besides the ones we do already, like using food containers instead of plastic bags. By eliminating and reducing our paper plates and towels, we were able to reduce our total waste by approximately half a pound each day. More of our waste went to recycling, while a little went to reducing our waste. This change economically reduced the amount of product we buy at the grocery store. Socially, it has been a huge change in our family. We now talk about the things we are recycling. I have noticed a difference when I am at work and thinking about this project. I am more aware of the paper that is wasted and talk with my coworkers about how we can be recycling more. The environmental change has been the greatest in the amount we have eliminated in our everyday life. Every time I go to throw something away, I stop and think, is it something that can be recycled? I have also thought about purchasing a separate container to keep in the house for all the recycling so it is more convenient to throw away. The changes my family and I have made are sustainable for us by being more conscious about the things we throw away. It almost has become more of a fun project for my children and I to see how much they can find to recycle and eliminate. I can't wait until the day we can add composting into our lifestyle.